What's going on again, folks? My next review will be on the Cold Steel City Stick. So this will be on the knob once more. So I decided to do a second, review on it one last time. All right, put this down here. All right, so here's the Cold Steel City Stick. So I got this almost 2 years ago. So why not? I decided to do a second review on the knob. It's very simple. And this is one of my favorite walking sticks. It's slim, easy to use. It's a good, this is a good self-defense option as well. Anyway, thanks for the good views on my video from last year. So I decided to do a second review on this. Alright, so this will be on the knob only. Alright, so let me get up here as always. So anyway, this is fairly simple. Alright, so that's it. That's all there is to it. Yes, you can carry with or without the knob. Yes, this is one of my favorite walking sticks. And of course, right here, you can engrave it yourself. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of engraving, to be honest, but yeah, I just like it the way it is. But yes, if you want to, you can engrave it yourself. And right there's the thread. Yes, you can carry it in both ways, with or without the knob. Now let's put it back. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Just a simple screw and unscrewing. That's it. All right. So yes, again, I highly recommend it. Yes, this is a great walking aid, a good self-defense tool. Yeah, perfect for walking, hiking, jogging, and yes, you can also have this in your car as a emergency bludgeon. That's the best thing. You gotta defend yourself out there. And yes, you can get these for about $60. I got mine for over 70, but now they gone down. Yes, again, I highly recommend it. Yes, this is a great walking aid and self-defense option. Yes, it's well made. You know, it's well built. So this will be on the knob right here. That's it. So I decided to why not to show you how to remove the knob. It's very simple. Just unscrew this. Again, you can carry this with or without the knob. Yeah, this is a very simple walking stick, and yeah, this is one of my favorites. Yeah, it's slim, easy to use. All right, so I just want to say this will be my second review on the knob here. So thanks for the good views on my video from last year. So this will be, I think, will be my final review on the knob right there. That's it. Just unscrew that. Carry it with both ways. All right, so I think that's about it. And there you go. I gave you a good review on the knob once more. It's very simple. You can remove it anytime, anywhere. And yes, this walking stick is definitely worth buying. Yes, this is a great walking aid, like I said before. Great walking aid, self-defense tool. And also, you can cut it down to any size you want. And yes, for around $60, it's definitely worth buying. Alright, so hope you liked the video review, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.